Good morning. Good morning. Looks like we got about a 4-second delay. Good morning, everybody. Probably watching this as a recording, or I probably will chop it up as videos, but I wanted to live stream. The BDH competition had a heck of a night last night. Pretty good run at it. $3,829. See what we did there. Had $1,950 in losses, 2 trades, 5 winners at $61.25. And that's $41.75 total after commissions. Well, they've zeroed it out this morning, but you can see what my account balance is, $53,829. So $38.29 after commissions. Going to be trading over here with TradingView. Had a hell of a run up, a couple of 100 points here. So we got some key levels got marked out over here in the other one. We want to get a break out of here. Be a nice take a bolt right on the top of the EMAs at the top of the VWAP range. And so just going to sit on my hands here, anticipate a short-term pullback and try to catch a reversal back towards highs of the day. Market's real strong, real resilient, but you got to think there's going to be some profit taking. So you think there'd be some profit taking. Welcome to the AI trading futures, where we use Python scripting, SpotGamma, Finnhub, XAPI, all kinds of things, with basically Grok 4 being the PhD. And 3 minutes to open here. Basically, Grok 4, 2 minutes and 14 seconds to open. Grok 4 being the PhD. I'm not going to take anything here on the open. I'm really going to protect my pot. I don't have a leaderboard yet to know how aggressive I need to go here. So what I am going to do is load up 10. That's the max that we can bet. And we're just going to wait here. Yeah, see, I would have taken this if it was closer to the open on this long, but I'm going to wait. This could be the push-up. We don't want to just take these randomly. Do have bookmaps running in the background for all of the data that bookmaps can provide us. We're mainly just going to use the volume pulse, which is the volume pressure indicator, and that way we can be assured on an entry. We're also going to be heavily relying on the ashy candle strategy. We'll try to catch these runs like this right here, this run right here, try to catch some clean ashy candles up or down. And up there above the VWAP. So let me point out some key areas for you. And the key areas is, let's put the key areas up on another screen. Got the open coming in here in just a second. Let me look that up for you. I got to share it with myself, so I can put it on the screen. I hadn't done that yet. I'm going to share this with myself, chat. And then we will get that up here in WhatsApp. Let's get these levels here. Move this out of the way. Come on, WhatsApp. I don't like when it's slow like that. And there we are on the key levels. Okay, 241, 168. We'll leave that up there here today. Let me just copy this and stick it on the desktop somewhere. Stick it over there. We'll go ahead and open it right there so we can get to it pretty easy. Got the live screen running over there on the other screen. And let's see here. Market's going to be open in a second. See what Pat and the boys are saying there. All right, let's go. You got 12 seconds. Market open. Switch back to our normal candles. See what kind of print we get here. Volume's kind of coming a little low there. Where's my book map at here? There we go. I want this rascal back up there. Let's keep this rascal up. I'm liking it for a long here on the open. I'm going to go ahead and take that range there. Might not like it here. Might give all my money back right now. We lost the volume right out. I said I was going to sit on my hands, and I didn't, chat. Look at that. Not liking it here. Let's get a little pop up, people. Could pull back to the VWAP. I gotta flatten this out. Oh my goodness. I didn't like that one at all, everybody. I totally got faked out with that high volume on the up there. Let's wait 1 second and jump back in and try to make this money back here. Don't want to seesaw myself and go the wrong direction. So we get a break of this little range here. Try to get our first 1 minute candle in. Oh my goodness. A loss right out the box. Now we got to work all day to get that back. Should have taken that, should not have taken that. Erase all my gains from yesterday. And so, yeah, I was looking at that loss. I forgot about my wins for a second. I didn't want my drawdown to be affected. I normally don't worry about that. I trade cash. But let's see if we can't get another trade out of this, make that money back. Again, I'm going to try to get on an ashy run, candle run here. And if we can get a little green ones going on the 5 minute, let's look at the 30s. Might have a reversal candle on the 30s here. And we might can get through that channel, take out those other levels we got here. So let's be cognizant of that 168, 241 levels there. And so here we go. Let's see if we can't get a reversal in the ashies one way or the other. And then what we do is stair step it from a 30 to a 1 minute and to a 3 minute. And once we get confirmation there, we will see what we can get going here. So we're going to look to take these trades, make that money back. It's no big deal. We can get it back. Be patient. This is a tournament style trading. So I'm having to watch my drawdown here. And yeah, I just wrote my whole rule right there. So you guys are going to probably like that. I just said nothing there. Don't take anything. 30 seconds, still okay. Still 1 minute. I'm going to say this thing's going to sell. We're going to go ahead and ride it down on the ashies on the 1 minute and just let it go. We're looking for that. We're looking for that 168 as a possible first deal, but I'm going to watch this volume. I'm not going to let it go too much against me here. Boy, but we're not doing too good today, chat. This has not been correct here. Let's just see what we got here. So we can push on down on the 1 minute. I'm going to try to get this money back. I'm going to go ahead and take the 800 out, you guys, because we just need a see green, take green. Let's see if we got back above our number. All right, well, $514 to the good on the tournament. But, boy, that negated some sales there. I mean, some profits there. And so let's just wait 1 second. We're still just trickling down. I'm going to go ahead and try another one on the down leg here. Oh, lost 100. Didn't mean to do that. Let's just okay, here we go. Let's get some more pushes here. I'm going to stay in it this time. We're going to put it on the ashies. See if we can't get a 30-second ashie. We're still good. Let's just let her go here and sell. I didn't get too good of a pour on that. I hate that. Stair step down again. We're still selling here. We're still good. Oh, no. Oh, no, chat. This may not be my day. I may blow this tournament on this day after having an excellent night last night. Got seesawed right here at the start, and now I feel like I'm chasing it just a little bit. Here comes the volume the other way. I'll have to jump out of this to see if we can't get a continuation. We're on the 30s. There's your reversal candle. So I'm going to take the loss here and just wait for this. I'm going to go ahead and buy the market and see if this is the bounce. Not liking this at all, chat. Down to 46 on my drawdown here. It's going to turn against me. I don't know. I'm just going to micro scalp it to death now, chat. Let's see what we got here. 46,341. I've almost blown this account. Oh, me. This is not how I wanted this to turn out. I shouldn't even be streaming this. I got so disembogulated because my Tradovate would not let my TradingView hook up to the account this morning, and it worked fine last night. And so then what I did was I'm going to think that this is a rollover. Let's wait for the 5 minute to go in and then see about shorting this market down that 168 level, which, look, we already hit there. We're at a key level right now, aren't we? 168 is a key level, and we're 162. So this could be, we got to hold this 168 level, or we certainly can fall on down to 119s. So let's just see here. I'm looking to take that short again. I'm going to take it again. And this time I'm looking for the low of day break. I'm going to stay with it whether it blows this account or not. Oh, there it went. The account just got blown. So that is that. The account is blown. Should have stayed in that short at the break of the 1 minute, and I didn't. And so that's that. I'm going to cut this stream off. That's not really enough to be a stream. This is just a 9 minute how to lose $8,500. So I probably won't be posting this one. That is so horrible. Anyway, that's the way that worked. Went against me on my speculation play. I had all my I had my levels popped out. We were supposed to do. I thought we would do a little comeback and then take out the 241, and that was going to be my profit area. And then we were going to watch for more reversals and go to town. Just didn't work that way, chat. So that's the way it goes. First your money, and second your close. So yeah, that's that. Let's see about a buyback in here. Let's go to the tournament. The dashboard over there. Reset the account. Let's see what it says. Account ID is required. Okay. Select account. To go through everything. Sorry, Chad. I'm gonna just redo it. It's only $20. Swung for the trees this morning, didn't we? Got a little impatient there too, and then I went on tilt a little bit. Right now, the long would be working, so that was the right reversal. If you come back over and look at it, that was the reversal right there on the ashy on 30 seconds. I got wicked out right in there, but look at that nice ashy run. That's what I was wanting to catch. As I said earlier in the stream, I was wanting to catch that, but it didn't. So we're just going to buy back in here for $20, and then we will go back to the 824 account. Let's do that real quick. So you come down to your Tradovate, and you just go to Tradovate, log out, and Tradovate, log in, and just go to the other one. Let's see here, PW 824. Let me go to the account credentials. It's got to be somewhere. There it is. Oh, it is a 944. There it is, 944. Here we go. Connect. There you go, just like that, 50,000. We're back in the game. Let's be a little more patient this time. Let's be just a little bit more patient. I don't know how many more rebuys we can do, but I think this thing's gonna sell. We're gonna take this little small breakdown here. I got a good feeling about this one. Got a good feeling about this one. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's just get a little green in here. Get a little bit of a green in here. Just want to get something on the books real quick, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to just take $150 right there. Y'all just saw it. That's a micro scalp, but the volume went down, so I just took a little micro scalp. And after commission, got $42. All right, let's try to get us a directional play here and then to stay with it. I'm going to go ahead and do this again and get another 250 there, just simply on volume. Let's see if the volume, if we break down below the VWAP, I'm going to go ahead and take it for quite a while here. $150s. I'm going to take it. Got a bear flag in place for sure. It's accelerating. Let's get down to the VWAP and we'll take some profit down there. She's coming on the sell side. We do have some absorption from the buyers, but this does look like a bear flag. Does look like a bear flag on the 30s against me right now. Not trading very well today, you guys. This has just been one of those weird deals. You know what? The way it goes. First you money, second you close. I'm trying to catch these bigger moves for this tournament as opposed to just micro scalping, which I normally just do $50 to $100 loss on 10 lots or $200 winner, and I just get out. And I don't have to watch it all day, but let's just see if we're flagging here. I can't DCA because you're max 10 lots on this tournament. And so I'm going to try to be patient. I'm going to switch it over to a 1 and put it on the ashes and just let her go and just see if this is going to come off, because we got free reign down here to the VWAP and then to about 119 based on the 4-hour chart. But the buyers keep holding this thing up. Shorting in a market that's going up is always not a good idea, and I know that. I'm trying to make some moves, put some money back on the books here. And there it is. So that's the other account blown just like that. That's how fast you blow 3 evals trading with stupidity. You break that down. I basically should have went smaller lot sizes at the open, and I would have, again, if I was trading my cash like I do every day. And she wasn't giving me any signals. I was totally going by seat of the pants. I've had neutral signals from Grok 4 over there. And so, yeah, that's the way it goes. First your money, second your close. Let's pull up the screen over there and see what we could do with accounts. And then active, eval, inactive, and locked. And let's go over here. Commissions. All right. And let's go to dashboard. Go to inactive. There's nothing that can be reset here. Don't understand that. Let's go to this one and not let you do any resets over there. So you can't do resets during the day on the tournament. You can only do resets after the day. So I guess we switch over to cash. How about that? I think I will re-enter the tournament tomorrow for funsies. It's just $39. And well, I'll see how far we are away from the leaderboard. But yeah, that wasn't really good. I probably will not do this video. If anybody sees it, you won't like it. This was not very good.